Let's say that you wanted this section down here isolated all by itself. Get the rectangular marquee and click and drag. Whoops, what do we have? We have this set to fixed size. Let's just click normal. And then we can click and drag and position this and say, yeah, that's exactly what I want on its own layer, all by itself, only without the rest of this. Well, we can jump this, Command J to a new layer, delete this background, and then we're left with, how do we get rid of this excess out here? And that's where image trim comes in. Image trim without a keyboard shortcut. Okay, trust me, this one I use all the time. And it took me years before I said, bonehead, make a keyboard shortcut. Just make a custom keyboard shortcut for image trim. Image, and there's lots of stuff here before trim. Am I going to find it or skip right past it? Here it is. There's trim, and here's our dialog box. Control, Option, Command, T. Not taken. And it's just like our stroke. Control, Option, Command, S. Easy to remember. Accept it, save it, click. Our keyboard shortcuts are growing. Huh? This is getting good. And probably a better idea to close those before you click OK so it's not there. So now when I want to trim this, the trim dialog box comes up. These are transparent pixels. And notice, which sides do you want to trim off? We want all four sides. And really for this, transparent, top left, bottom right, they all work. Just click OK. Boom. Trimmed. Easy. One thing I forgot to say, after you're done trimming, if you didn't open up a new file, be sure to save as. Don't save over this file. Okay? That way you don't lose your other work. Very important.